What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and I just really wanted to go over Dogecoin really quick today because look at this. I know I made a video previously, but yeah, we did not break out because of consolidation. So I did say that it's going to be very hard to do this 3 times in a row because we did consolidate here and then here, and then as you can see here, we struggled to hit the top of that consolidation line, right? We really struggled to hit the top of it, and yeah, we didn't reach the top of it. But it's still good news because that means that we will have another opportunity when we come back down to our support line. So all in all, we're still doing good here with Dogecoin. Everything's still going good. The Doge army is still very strong, so I'm very confident with it. And I'm actually kind of glad it's going down a little bit because that gives us an opportunity to buy the dip. So as long as we keep buying these dips, we're going to keep winning here. But yeah, there's more support here around 20 cents, 21 cents. So we're going to have some major support here. So yes, we are coming down, but then we're going to go right back up when we come back down to 20, 21 cents because we have some major support here. So very good news with Dogecoin. Don't want to do too many technicals, but I just wanted to show that we are not coming out of this consolidation. So then people don't, FOMO into it, because I really don't like when people FOMO into things, because that is when people get burned. You only get burned whenever you FOMO into things and whenever you sell because of FUD, so never sell because of FUD and never buy because of FOMO. So some good news with Dogecoin though. Let's check this out. So BitPay, we all know BitPay is very, very big with Dogecoin, very big with crypto in general, but we have some good news here. So they say proudly they are now accepting Dogecoin. Who's accepting Dogecoin? Imaginarium Convention. They are a film festival. So yeah, a film festival. They're now accepting Dogecoin. Let's click over here so we can look at their whole film festival website. So Imaginarium 2021, this film festival is now accepting Dogecoin. So if you are a fan of film festivals, then this is for you. And their next film festival, you can now pay in Dogecoin. So that's very good news right there. The convention, the Imaginarium Convention Independent Film Festival. So all of these sections are eligible for awards and will be screened during the Imaginarium 2021. I just like stuff like this because it gives innovators out there a chance to spread their love and then do what they want, do what they truly love doing, and get paid for doing it, and just a bunch of good stuff around here. I really love seeing people come out being entrepreneurs, doing what they love to do. So everyone doing anything that doesn't involve a corporate job is an entrepreneur in my eyes. YouTubers, entrepreneurs here. I'm an entrepreneur. We're all entrepreneurs. Crypto investors, you're entrepreneurs because you're investing for your future, investing to become the best entrepreneur ever. And really, this is all about financial freedom. So that's why I really love Dogecoin. Dogecoin do only good every day. Financial freedom is the wave. It is the new wave. And honestly, the way I see things going on in the future, there's going to be robots serving you up at McDonald's. There's going to be robots serving inside of Walmart, because eventually everyone's going to get to that point where they're entrepreneurs. I'm seeing this, and I'm seeing this happen in real time. And they want robots to serve you. They want AI to happen. So AI is becoming very big. Elon Musk is really pushing for that, right? So this is actually very cool that the entrepreneur reality is becoming a reality here in America, here in everywhere, all over the world, not even just America. So this is very, very, very big. And even in something I want to talk about is China, right? So China, they're coming out with their own Chinese yuan, right? So where was that? We'll find it over here. So I think it was over here. Yeah. So China is rolling out the digital yuan. So it's on CBDC, central bank digital currency. So even though they don't have the typical cryptocurrencies, China does this a lot. YouTube was blowing up all over the West, and they wanted their own YouTube, so they banned YouTube and made their own. So I guess that's just how they roll over there in China, but they're still making their own crypto overall. So I guess that's still good in a way, right? But anyways, they also say quarterback Tom Brady changing his Twitter avatar to the crypto and crowd signifier laser eyes. So everybody's really, really big with Dogecoin. Everybody's really big with Bitcoin. Everybody's really big with crypto, and the entrepreneur spirit is growing in everyone, right? Everyone investing is trying to become an entrepreneur. We're all trying to become financially free so we can live our lives the way that we want. And this is really the goal everywhere, right? So I'm definitely glad that is, happening. But another thing to all the haters out there that hate me, I love all you haters. And just the fact that you have time to, come to the channel and spew out hate, it says a lot about your personality and about your character. And I love that because, I just love it. I just love the haters out there that are hating, and I love the supporters out there. So thanks to everyone that's supporting, thanks to everyone that's hating. I really am thankful for everyone, and I'm thankful that you are just giving me your time. So thankful for all of the supporters overall, over all the haters, you know. So I really like to thank all my supporters. I know I keep thanking you left and right, but it's I'm very, very grateful for this, right? So another thing that we have with Dogecoin, right? So let's scroll down. If you want to buy a brand new watch, you can get a brand new watch with Dogecoin. And I don't have that many watches, but this is kind of, you know, tempting me to buy a watch because you can get it with Dogecoin and you can get, you know, money off when you're paying with Dogecoin. Like, look, you're getting $25 off of a $250 purchase when you're paying with Dogecoin, $50 off a $700 purchase, $100 off a $1,000 purchase. That's a whole 10% right there. That's a pretty good discount right there. And honestly, I really like that blue watch. Like, I would really buy that if I had a lot of extra money on the side, but all my money is going into Dogecoin. So but look, this offer expires tomorrow, so if you really want a nice watch, then you can get a nice watch by tomorrow if you pay here with BitPay on this website called Joma Shop. So that's pretty cool right there. Pretty cool news. And yeah, whoever is interested in watches, definitely check that out, and you can really benefit off this. So let's look at these watches though. These are some pretty nice watches, and you can get these in Dogecoin and you can get money off. So they have these nice luxury watches. They have really good name brands here, so you can look at all these name brands. Pretty sure they probably have a Rolex. Yep, they have Rolex. Like, how could they not have Rolex and be a watch sales, you know? So if you are a rich person and you're watching me, definitely check out one of these Rolexes. I mean, I wish I could afford one of these right now, but I'm happy for you if you can afford one, because these are some expensive and very nice watches, and they have resale value. You know, a lot of these watches go up over time. I'm not, you know, that informed on watches, so I don't know which one of these watches actually appreciate or if all of them are appreciating. But yeah, you can definitely bet that this yellow gold watch here is going to appreciate $87,000. Now, this is cool right here. So you will literally get 10% back if you buy this watch. Now, I don't know exactly how that works because it says $100 off $1,000. So maybe they're only going to give you $100 off, but I don't know how that's going to work there. But yeah, these are some nice watches, and you can buy them with Dogecoin now. So this is a lot of money flowing through Dogecoin. And when you look at Dogecoin, the 24-hour trading volume, $5.1 billion. That's a lot of money in Dogecoin, right? That's very good. Very, very, very good. And the fact that we're 34% down in the last 24-hour trading volume, that means that most of those orders are buying orders, and people are typically holding because the price is going up in the last 24 hours, but the 24-hour trading volume is still 34% down, which means that there's a lot of buying going on and there's a lot of holding going on. So hodling is what's happening here with Dogecoin. We are definitely excited to have something like this happen. And look at this. Look at this period right here. So from 10 a.m. right here all the way over here to about 11 a.m. Dogecoin was completely stable. What that means is that there was hardly any sell orders for literally, like, look at the volume. The volume was so low. Like, the 24-hour trading volume was so low for a full hour, which means like people are looking at it like, all right, we're holding it, and people are listening. They're not FOMOing in. So no one was buying because no one was FOMOing in because we're at a peak, and then no one was selling either. So that's very, very, very good news here. So loving what's going on with Dogecoin, really loving it. Thankful for all of the supporters with Doge. And yeah, let's keep looking at this. So it's difficult for the state to exert control over decentralized blockchain technology, which they're talking about the regulations. It's really difficult for them to, you know, put out regulations. Honestly, we need some regulations though, because when you walk in a bank, there's always security guards. When you put your money in the bank, it's always secured. So you have to think about that. Like, you put $1 million and you're secured up to like $250,000 to $500,000. Like, we need that same security inside of our different crypto exchanges, right? Hopefully we get that, but you know, it will be very nice to get that without having the massive taxes on us, right? So also, people are still talking about the nasty technical indicators like the death cross that have appeared in trading patterns, but I'm looking out for it. Haven't seen anything bad happening. So obviously we had a big drop, but now we're having a big jump right afterwards. So I'm not really worried about the whole death cross thing, honestly. Like, it's I'm inviting it. Like, it comes to 1 cent, I'm gonna take $10,000 if this comes to 1 cent, and I'm gonna buy Dogecoin. And I'm going to tell you exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to take out a personal loan of $10,000 and put it into Dogecoin, because I've actually already did this before. I took out a $5,000 loan, took $700, turned the $700 into $25,000. I talk about the story all the time because it's one of my greatest investment stories ever. And it's what is actually inspiring me to continue investing and continue hodling. After I see what I could do just day trading and swing trading, I'm like, wow, if I take this another step further and then just hold for the long term, it's inevitable that I'm going to become a millionaire and eventually a billionaire. I'm telling everyone right now, I am a future billionaire here. So not to brag, but we are all future millionaires. And that is the only way that you're going to become a millionaire or a billionaire, is by long-term holding, right? So good stuff going on left and right with Dogecoin. Definitely happy with this. So legendary investor Jeremy Grantham says that the ongoing Bitcoin frenzy reminds him of the dot-com bubble and recommends the cryptocurrency be avoided in portfolios. Honestly, when you hear stuff like this, the dot-com bubble, what happened after the dot-com bubble, right? So look, everything fell down, right? A lot of stuff died out. A lot of websites died out that were on the stock market. A lot of them died out. But look what prevailed. Amazon prevailed. What's the Amazon of What's the Amazon of cryptocurrency? Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is going to prevail. Yes, a lot of cryptos are going to fail, but a lot of cryptos are going to prevail. So you have to think about it. Look, we have stuff like, all right, so look at this right here, PooCoin. So PooCoin, for example, is going to fail. Like, I'm not making fun of anyone investing in PooCoin, but let's be honest, a lot of the low market cap cryptos, they fail. Look at PooCoin. PooCoin is completely failing. You know, PooCoin will most likely fail, but PooCoin is good if you want to day trade, because you can day trade it and, you know, people make profit. So I'm not hating on people day trading. Look, you put $1,000 into PooCoin right here, and then you sell it right here at the top of the day. You just made a lot of profit. So PooCoin is very good for day trading, not very good for long-term holding. But when you think about something like Dogecoin or Bitcoin, Bitcoin is amazing for long-term holding. Look what Bitcoin has done. And people are still hating on crypto. Come on now. Bitcoin came all the way from zero. Look, all the way from zero, all the way up. Like, Bitcoin was literally worth nothing once. Like $144 all the way up. Imagine buying Bitcoin at $144, selling at $63,000. Come on now. And now when we think the same thing about Dogecoin, like, look at what Dogecoin did. Dogecoin came all the way from back here. Yes, we are at a huge drop, but it's not unprecedented. Like, we were expecting a huge drop here with Dogecoin. Like, I told everyone, look, we're gonna drop. And when we do not sell at the bottom. Just hold, just hodl. And look, yes, this could be a fake out. This could definitely be a fake out. What they like to call it is the dead cat bounce. That's when it goes all the way down, and then a fake out happens. It goes up, and then people are like, oh, we're gonna keep going up, and then the FOMO, ooh, and then right down to the bottom, right? So that could possibly happen, yeah. But if we reach 1 cent, that's a buying opportunity, and that's what long-term hodlers know. Like, long-term investors win every single time. And I understand the short-term people. I understand if you're a short-term investor. I understand, because you're overextended, you have too much money in it, and you're getting scared, so you sell out early. That's understandable, because you need that money for your immediate finances, right? So the way to combat that is only putting like 1 to 10% of your portfolio inside of it. So that's the way to combat it. But me, I'm very, very, very risky. I got like 50% of all of my cash inside of crypto right now. Then I got the other 50% inside of the stock market, and then the remaining money that I have that I don't even consider in this is what I use to pay my bills, because I'm so heavily invested inside crypto. I'm barely just getting by every single day inside of all my bills, right? Because what's paying my bills? Everything. You guys are paying my bills. YouTube's paying my bills. I'm making money doing like DoorDash and stuff like that. So I'm just like you all out there that are investing. I'm barely just getting by, but that's because I have so much high conviction in Dogecoin that I'm willing to put all the money that I do make, all the leftover money that I have on the side, into Dogecoin. I'm willing to do that because I know the long-term benefits. So I put that into there. I do the same thing with the stock market, and I know it's going to help me out inside the future. I know that I'm investing for my future. I'm not investing for the present. Like, I don't care about where the money is right now. Dogecoin can go to 1 cent right now, and I could literally lose everything, and I'm still gonna smile and say, yes, Dogecoin went to 1 cent. And then I'm going to take out a $10,000 loan and then put it inside of Dogecoin. And that's why I preach so heavily with credit, right? Credit is so huge right now. Like, the only reason why I have money in Dogecoin is because the loan I took out and I put it into Dogecoin, and it turned to like, well, not initially Dogecoin. I put it into the HCMC stock, which went from $700 to $25,000. And I took that and then I put that into Dogecoin, and then I am where I'm at now. But what I'm saying is, credit is so important, because if you have enough of a financial background and financial literacy that you know how to utilize your credit, you can always have good debt. I like to call it good debt. I take out a $10,000 loan and then put it into Dogecoin at 1 cent. That's good debt, because in 5 years, that $10,000 loan, 1 cent, Dogecoin is going to reach $1 regardless. I know Dogecoin can reach $1 in 1 year, But let's just look at the pessimistic people and be like, all right, let's just be pessimistic with you and say Dogecoin reaches $1 in 5 years, right? If it only reaches $1 in 5 years, cool. That means that I still go to $1 million. So it's definitely going to be $1 by next year, right? So definitely happy with that. And I have more stuff that I want to talk about with this right now. So let's keep going on with our more news. So the China crypto ban, right? So China is now banning, or the China crypto ban is now driving down NVIDIA and Asus graphics cards. So it's not just Dogecoin that's going down. It's literally everything. Everything's going down with it. So this is a really big thing that's happening right now. So now that that's going down, remember their stock is probably going down as well. So it's not just Dogecoin and not just Bitcoin. Stocks are going down now because of this. And people aren't buying these graphic cards as much. But me personally, I just now bought like a brand new computer, a brand new gaming computer, because I know everything's gonna go up inside the future. Like even if I bought the computer and now the computer is virtually worth less because, you know, crypto. But when you think about it like this, right? So think about it like you have this Dogecoin, right? You buy Dogecoin at let's just say you bought it at 70 cents, right? Yes, you're down now, which really sucks. I really feel bad for the people that bought at 70 cents. But if you hold it for the long term and you keep dollar cost averaging down, you're gonna do well. You're gonna do very well. So you buy it right now at 20 cents. You buy now, even if it goes down to 10 cents, even if it goes down to 1 cent, you still keep buying. But let's say we keep going up, you keep buying as it goes up as well. That's the only method that's going to like help you win inside of this world, right? So I'm definitely not worried about prices going down. And the Doge army is so strong. Look at this. The Doge army is very strong. This is what everyone who bought in at 62 cents and 70 cents felt. They're like, yep, we're just there. This is the exact thing. You know, this is the most funniest meme I've ever seen. And it's 100% accurate, 100% true. So Dogecoin army is just going to the moon. Look at this. Let's hit 40 cents and break through the resistance. That's pretty funny, but look, everything is going crazy right now with Dogecoin. This is just a short little video, you know, just, you know, giving out some motivation to the people, talking about the new news that we have in Dogecoin and about consolidation that we are trying. But look, we're trying to get back up there. Just like what happened back there. Remember, we broke out of consolidation back here, but yet we still went back up into the consolidation and broke out. So even though we dropped, we went right back up. So the same thing can happen here again. So do not be scared with Dogecoin. Anything can happen because this is crypto. Anything can happen in crypto market. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. We see what the billionaires are doing. The billionaires have actual financial advisors that actually advise them to invest inside this stuff. So I'm going to follow the billionaires' advice. I see a billionaire buying, I'm buying too. So remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood and Webull and Voyager. And remember, those transaction fees with Voyager will kick you in the butt if you are not holding for long term. So definitely watch out for that. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.